we're going to check the clutch adjustment. So the first thing I do is loosen this up. So I'll go pull the lever out and show them I've got no free play in it.
Why did they do it? Was there like some practical reason?
Pulling lever. Wait.
There's no free play in it. Oh, we got to fix that mirror. Here.
No free play.
Here, now I know the mirror.
Oh, there you go.
Now I know the mirror needs to be fixed. I keep forgetting the mirror needs to be fixed. There. See, we don't have much free play going on in here. It's supposed to have 1/8 of an inch.
Okay.
So you definitely have to have more than 0.
Will it snap or something?
So we got under the lock nut. See the lock nut there?
Yeah, I've seen it.
Now we got to tighten this down. Maybe not that one, and this one turns
Oh,
on.
man, my dog's freaking out right now. Those fireworks?
Yep. Summer fireworks, probably SeaWorld or Mission Bay, one of the two, or both. I can usually hear a lot of them. You also hear ones down in Coronado, shoot a Vista going the other way. Okay, how much free play we got now? A lot?
No, well, yeah, a lot.
Need more. I want to get about half a lever worth.
What?
You got half a lever there yet?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Thinking.
Okay, now you go over here
Uh-huh.
and adjust this here.
Which is?
Okay, so you put your Allen in here. See the Allen straight up.
Mm-hmm.
Break that free. Jam your finger in the ground. Okay.
Just like that?
So this is where it was at. Now let's see how much free play we got.
Oh, you tightened it up.
Not much. There's half a turn of free play there. So I put half a turn in there.
Mm-hmm.
Couple quick jerks. And
Easily
tighten it.
accessible, huh?
Yeah. Now we got free play down there.
Oh, okay.
That's inside. That's the push roll with the clutch.
Okay.
So we want free play there. Now we got to take out the free play at the clutch.
Right.
But you can have free play here and nothing down there. And that's what burns up clutch.
Ah,
People don't understand that.
gotcha.
You have to have free play down there. There wasn't much down there, so that's why I made sure it's in there. Now we're hot down there too, so
Yeah.
it might get a little. It might warm up some too. Now I'm just taking out the free play here. So how much we got over there now? See, we still got a lot in there.
That's a lot.
Let's keep taking more out over here. So you got about an 1/8 inch in there now?
Uh-huh. Yeah.
1/8 inch.
Yep.
That's a good
I did
starting
know.
point. Tighten it up.
Nice.
Now we got a lot in there now. So that's a lot
Too much?
more. I think it's too much. That's a good hard 1/8 inch. I'd rather have a little bit less than that. So if you turn the wrenches correctly, you squeeze to loosen or tighten.
Ah.
So there's probably half a turn of take up.
Oh, yeah. I did it.
Now how much we got? About half up now? Yeah, now we got about half of that, see?
Yeah.
That's better.
Much better.
Now let's see if the clutch actually works.
it wouldn't go to neutral?
No, it doesn't want to shift to neutral for whatever reason.
Probably had to roll up a little bit.
It just didn't want to do it. No, there's no nut right here either, so it must be another nut that fell off.
Oh no. Tread lock?
It's a jam nut, it shouldn't matter.
Okay.
That's two.
Good eye, good eye.
That's two parts. What do you do with that nut? I'm thinking this is the one off the shifter. Yeah, when you see threads hanging out, that means it's not tight. Because I tighten the hell out of all this stuff.
Yep.
And I don't know why this one came loose. Let's tighten that one up a little bit too before I tighten this one. See, it's a jam nut, not the one you tighten with. This screw here is the one you tighten with. See, that's tight. And this one pulls up and back on the back side of it. And the extra.
Ah.
Be neutral. These are the wrenches that come with a peg, so I'll give you one of those to make sure they're tight. It doesn't hurt to double check these every now and then, but make sure they're staying tight like they're supposed to. That one's definitely not coming loose.
Good.
So I'm assuming that one came loose because I wouldn't have put the nut on there, I was going to tighten the piss out of it. So.
Okay.
But the mirror definitely lost its nut.
Yeah.
That's about what the nut was right there in the little box.
I bet you it probably was. Yeah, because this thing it almost flew right out.
Well, I noticed it was loose when I took off the park down there.
Uh-huh.
But I keep forgetting because I never use the damn thing. Okay, so that's going to be, put a flat washer, or at least a lock washer. Oh, a lock washer.
I love it.
Okay, we're going to make sure that's not coming off. We have lock washer, lock nut, and lock tight.
Wow, three types of locks, huh?
That mirror ain't coming off. We're going to make sure that one stays put. Yo, you're kicking out your bike.
Yeah, look at it.
Can't ride it that way.
So you're gonna let me go register this thing then tomorrow?
If you're going to do that.
Yeah.
Now, why is that moving?
Huh? Uh-oh.
These levers are loose. So we tighten this shit up. You did a lousy job of it.
You did.
You didn't even loosen the damn thing. I don't even know how you even tighten them. This is Allen's up under there. I didn't even touch that thing. Blame that on me. I didn't do it. So you put your hands out straight like that. You want the lever with your other against your fingers.
Mm-hmm.
You don't have to be grabbing underneath for it or grabbing like that. You just stick your hand there and grab that side. What kind of an Allen is under there?
Well, what do you mean, what kind? How many different kinds are there?
Well, not that one, because that just wrong.
Obviously, that was too small, I think.
I didn't like that one at all.
You want to know if it's metric or not?
Well, it isn't.